Back at it again with another video. Today, you know, you see I'm in the kitchen, so today will be a cooking video. Haven't done one of these in a while. I actually haven't done one of these since I've gone vegan. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for the next video. And that's on who? And that's on period. Okay, so let's get into it. Today, I will be making a Italian pasta. It's going to be a cold pasta, not that average TikTok pasta. This is actually better. Well, I've never had a TikTok pasta, but my opinion is that it's better because I'm making it. So yeah, this is for my vegans and for people who are trying to try vegan foods that aren't completely vegan. Whoever want to make it, basically, that's who it's for. I ain't gonna tell y'all what y'all need yet because I gotta get everything out. So I will be back. Before I get started, I just wanted to tell y'all that I have so much to tell y'all, so much to catch y'all up on. I gotta drop videos like this because I got so much heat coming, y'all. We on the road to 1K, so make sure y'all tell all y'all people to subscribe to me because, you know, this is where it's at for real. Gianna Lex, period. So I be having brain farts. Like, I literally have everything set out in the assembly line, but then I be having brain farts. I be like, what do I do next? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this pan out. So I'll put some water in and get the water boiling and then do everything else. So I'll be back. Don't do that. I need to see some more. Do I? I don't know. Oh, I forgot I was recording. So I got the water. Okay. I haven't done a cooking video in a long time. The last cooking videos I made, I didn't upload, so it's kind of awkward for me. But yeah, so you put the water on the boiler, turn it on high, let that boil. While you're letting that boil, I'm going to cut up my vegetables. Okay. So, no, I really just had a brain fart, but put it in the flour now. So put the flour in the bag and put it in the flour. Okay, so I'm going to do the, oh, can y'all see me? Hold on, let me put y'all back a little bit. Okay, so I am going to do the bell pepper first. Most importantly, make sure you take the sticker off and clean it off first. What the heck? I can't even get the sticker off. I can't even get the sticker off. What? I just know that's not that old. No, that's not. I'm over here making my vegan pops and she over here making chicken. So, y'all hear me talking to her, talking over here. Huh? Or you could put it in a plastic baggie, like, you know the plastic bags? Oh, I cleaned it up.
Oh, I put it in the
knife. Yeah. Get a knife. I got a knife. So I just found out a better way to cut that. So, oh, can y'all see me? Y'all can see me? Okay, so first you cut off this. Oh, it's over there. Oh, going. Oh. Whoa, it's going crazy. But alright, so I'm gonna cut this stuff up. I just showed y'all easy way. You gotta cut this part off, cut the back off, and then slice it up a little bit. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna cut everything up, and I'll be back. BRB.
Huh?
So, y'all hear me talking to her, talking over here. Or you could put it in a plastic baggie, like, you know the plastic bags? Oh, I cleaned it off.
Oh, I put it in the
knife. Yeah. Get a knife. I got a knife. So I just found out a better way to cut that. So, oh, can y'all see me? Y'all can see me? Okay, so first you cut off this. Oh, it's over there? Ooh, going. Whoa, we going crazy. But alright, so I'm gonna cut this stuff up. I just showed y'all easy way. You gotta cut this part off, cut the back off, and then slice it up a little bit. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna cut everything up, and I'll be back. BRB. Okay, so this is delicious. This is the final product, Jewel. So what I did was I mixed everything together, the cucumbers, cut up the tomatoes, put that in here, put the noodles in here, and the peppers and onions, and that's all. Like, really, this is a simple, quick meal prep. Like, I'm probably gonna have this for the next couple of days for like brunch, I guess, whatever. Yo, this is so good. This is my second time making this by myself. I got the worst look. This is so good. So what I did was I mixed everything together, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. You can put it in the fridge for a couple hours, like maybe an hour, 2 hours. I'm gonna do it overnight since I had a smoothie earlier and I'm not really hungry. Do it overnight, probably have it with my breakfast. Y'all better get into this. Like, this is so good, fast, easy, and it's delicious. And it's healthy. So even if you're not vegan, you can make this. So make sure y'all get into it. And if y'all try this recipe, make sure y'all comment down below and let me know how y'all liked it, or hit me up on my social media. My Instagram is Gianna_Alexis, Twitter _Gigi567, Snapchat QueenGigi0907. That will be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video.